Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to screen record with sound on your Google Pixel 8. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to access your quick settings panel. This is where you'll find all your quick access toggles and shortcuts that make controlling your device easier. Now you'll want to swipe down again to expand the panel fully. This reveals additional quick setting tiles that might not be visible in the initial view, giving you access to more features and controls. Next, look for the screen recorder icon among your quick settings tiles and tap on it. This icon typically looks like a small screen with a recording symbol, and it's your gateway to capturing everything happening on your display. Once you tap the recorder icon, a drop-down menu will appear with recording options. Here you'll see choices like entire screen or single app. The entire screen option captures everything on your display, while single app limits the recording to just one specific application. For this tutorial, we'll select entire screen so you can record everything that appears on your device. Now, this is the important part for capturing audio. You'll notice an option labeled Record Device Audio with a toggle button beside it. Go ahead and tap that toggle to turn it on. Enabling this feature ensures that all the sounds coming from your phone, whether it's app audio, notifications, or media playback, will be included in your screen recording. This is essential if you want to capture both visuals and audio together. With your audio settings configured, you're ready to begin. Tap the Start button to initiate the recording process. Your Pixel 8 will begin capturing everything on your screen along with the device audio you just enabled. And that's it. You've successfully set up and started a screen recording with sound on your Google Pixel 8, allowing you to capture both video and audio from your device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.